What is this?
Magic of numbers.
Show me your magic.
10 is start. 10 plus 1, 11. 10 plus 2, 12. 10 plus 3, 13. 10 plus 4, 14. 10 plus 5, 15. 10 plus 6, 16. 10 plus 7, 17. 10 plus 8, 18. 10 plus 9, 19. 20, 13, 14, 15,
50.
60, 70, 80, 90, 100.
Very good. This is the magic of numbers.
Maslet and bunch of words.
Very good. Fill up this slate.
Look at the bird. This is a pen. That is a car. It is a game. I like milk. I don't like cricket.
Oh. Repeat once again.
Bird, pen, car, game, milk, cricket.
Very nice. This is the activity of slate.
A colony of ants.
A colony of ants. Very good.
Row of trees.
A row of trees.
A stack of clothes.
Repeat once again.
A stack of clothes. A sum of bees.
A swarm of bees.
A crowd of people.
What is the meaning of crowd?
Bhid. A flight of bird.
Repeat once again.
A flight of bird.
What is in your hand? A swarm of bees. What is the meaning of bees?
Shetki makki.
Very good.
A bunch of grapes. A team of deers.
Very
A
good.
group of children.
A group of children.
A herd of sheep.
Yes.
A herd of cattle. A bouquet of flowers. A bunch of keys. A bundle of sticks.
A bundle of sticks. Very good. What are you doing?
We are ready.
What is this?
It's a flashcard.
Tell me some name of this card.
Car.
Very good.
Toy.
Yes.
Lamb.
Yes.
Bull.
Yes.
Tap.
Very good. Tell me.
Laddus.
Yes.
Pear. Pot. Bed. Hot.
Tell me fair. Spelling of fair.
Laddus.
Fair. I say fair. Fair spelling.
F-A-I-R. Fair.
Very good. Tell me some name of this picture.
Boy.
Yes.
Star.
Yes.
Tiger.
Yes.
Cup. Tree.
Yes. Yes.
Fire. Cake. Cup. Mobile. Table.
Very good. Maharashtra Samarga Shiksha Maharashtra Prathmik Shikshan Parishad provided with some teaching material. This is the material. Flashcard, magic number, association of letter, supplementary cards, vocabulary cards, gross slate, and noun strips, and many other flashcards. More flashcards. Then now we do this activity in our class.